Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. In this video, I'm going to give my review of Infinity Processing System. All right, so just to give you a little backstory how I even heard of this system about 3 weeks ago, right? I was looking at comments on my videos. I actually read all the comments I get. And I was talking about another system, and somebody commented and was like, hey, have you ever heard of Infinity Processing System, right? And I'm like, nah, right? So they messaged me back and she said, oh, I'm about to join it, right? Take a look at it. And I'm like, all right, nah, I'll take a look at it. So I literally wrote this down. A couple days later, I looked at the system. I was like, oh, this looks pretty interesting. This looked pretty good, right? Then, of course, like everybody else do, I got on YouTube, looked at all the reviews and seeing what people say, because a lot of times, people promoting the product. So you're gonna see a whole bunch of happy-go-lucky comments and videos and stuff. But I still was like, forget what people saying. I need to look into this for myself. What do I think about this program, right? So I kept looking at more and more videos. I kept looking at the actual sales letter. I'm thinking about the whole program, the process, how you can make money with it. I'm like, you know what? This ain't bad. I'm willing to give this a shot. You know what I'm saying? I like what I hear. I like what I see, right? So I actually commented back to the person that actually told me about Infinity Processing System. I actually was like, hey, I said, did you get the system yet? If so, let me know, because I was going to give this lady a commission, right? She was going to get a nice commission, but she never responded. So I actually went with somebody who I liked their video. I like what they were saying. And they actually got a commission. Right there, it tells you that the system actually worked because somebody got a commission off of me. So what is Infinity Processing System, and what do I really think about it? So the system is created by a woman named Adriana, and it's a system designed basically for anybody, right? If you're new to making money online or you've been in the game for a while, this system really is for everybody. It's designed to give people, allow people to earn $50, 100% $50 commissions, $150 commissions, or $300 commissions sent directly to the person that's actually promoting the program, right? So there's no middleman. There's no, like, oh, well, so-and-so gets a 10% cut or 20%. No. The money gets sent directly to the marketer, right? Which is always a good thing. But there's many programs like this, right? There's tons of programs like IPS, right? But when I look at them, I always say, that's cool, right? You're getting people to give you money, send you money, right? But I always say, what is the product? What are these people getting if they join, if they pay $50, if they pay $150 or $300? What are we promoting, right? And a lot of these systems, a lot of these programs, to be honest with you, they're either promoting absolutely nothing or they're promoting something that has very little value, right? Like basically garbage, right? I see that a lot. So I got the system not knowing exactly, what I was going to get. I'm just going off of the sales page, but a sales page, right? So I actually get the system, right? And the actual product is actually digital marketing training. You might be like, oh, here we go, digital training, blah, blah, blah. Nah, listen, I just finished the course 2 days ago, right? The training is legit. It is legit training. Now, granted, there's nothing in here that you can't find on your own. There's nothing online really that you can't find on your own. You just gotta look. But when you think about, especially from the perspective of like a newcomer, if you're new to the game or you haven't been making money at all online, this is in the industry a no-brainer, right? Because I was skeptical about when I seen all the training that you get at the $300 level. I'm like, all right, yeah, whatever. But when I actually went through it, I've been doing internet marketing for over 13 years now. And I'm like, wow, I actually learned a few things, right, from the training. And I've been in the game for a minute. I actually learned several different things that I didn't know, right? So I immediately, within about 20 minutes of going through the training, the product, I instantly said, oh, it was worth. This is absolutely worth the $300. All right, hands down. Like the training. Hey, real quick, this is a review, and I actually forgot. Later on, I realized like I didn't even say about the training, like what what kind of training you get, right? So in the training, you actually learn how to promote the system, and not only this system, really any product that you have. It teaches you how to promote it on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and it shows you how to promote on TikTok, right? So those are 4 different platforms that the system teaches you. Like they go into detail to show you like how to use these platforms. Now, I will recommend this. You should, if you get it, you should go through the whole course like I did. Go through all the training. But just getting started, pick 1, maybe 2 platform. Like this is crucial. This is important. Pick 1 or 2 of the platforms to start with. Do not try to promote on all 4 because you're going to get burnt out and you're going to be like, this is whack. Oh, actually, they even show you how to market on Craigslist. So that's 5. That's 5 separate groups of training that you're going to get at the $300 level. And if you're watching this video, like that's a lot of training and that's well worth it to actually learn how to market, because I ain't gonna lie, guys, this all the training you really need to start making money, like for real, like seriously. I bought $1,000 courses, $500 courses, and you're not learning too much more than you're learning with the Infinity processing system. So yeah, that's what you get with the training. You're getting real training with Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Craigslist, guys. So definitely worth it, right? So just going back a little bit, how it works, there's 3 different levels, right? So if you're watching this video and you're getting all excited, like, yo, I want to get in, you could come in at the $50 level, right? And there's a $50 packet you would get. And it has pretty decent training with that, right? It does. It's basic training. You get limited to how much of the course you can, get access to. But honestly, at the $50 level, keeping it real, you do get a decent amount of training, especially if you're new. Then there's a $150 level that you can come in at. Obviously, you get more training than the $50 level. And that is definitely, you get a lot of training. But the next level is the all-in level, right? It's $300, one-time payment. All of them is one-time payment, right? One time. But the $300 level, obviously, you get the $50 level, $150, and you get all these extra bonuses and little perks and stuff that you can see for yourself. And the cool thing about it is, whatever level you are at, okay, that's the level you can earn on commission. So if you get the $50, you come in at the $50 level, then you can promote the system and get $50 commissions. If you come in at the $150 level and you promote the product, you're going to be getting $150 commissions. But why you see these videos, people always push you towards the $300 or the highest ticket, right? Is because if you come in at the $300 level, you get commissions on the $50, the $150, and you also earn $300 commissions every time somebody gets a $300 package. So obviously, the more money you can make, the better, right? And it's a one-time investment. That's why I felt comfortable, right, doing the $300 level. Now, is there any other fees, right? That's what people want to know. Like, all right, yeah, if I come in at the 50, or do I gotta spend more money, or even at the 300, what do I gotta spend? Keeping it absolutely real. It's a $25 setup fee, and that's just for your website once you get going. So whatever program you jump into, the $50 level, you best call it 75. The 150, basically you're gonna end up paying 175 before you get started. And the 300 is basically gonna be 325 because you're paying that $25 setup fee for your site, right? But after that, it's a wrap. You good to go. So if you got that mindset, that entrepreneur mindset, and you coming in like, yo, okay, so for basically $325, I can create a home business. I can make money from home, make money from my laptop, right? And I could build an unlimited income opportunity. I can have unlimited earning potential for $325, right? Are you willing to invest that? You know, that's on you, right? I did it. And I'm super excited about it because you have a legit product that you're promoting. Like I did the course, I went through all of the training. Some of the stuff I knew, obviously, because I've been doing this. So, but I wanted to go through the whole course, everything that you get for the $300 level. I wanted to go through. I wanted to make sure like this is worth promoting, right? And it is. It really is. And I was surprised because there's so many systems out there that you get them and you're not learning anything, right? There's you know what I'm saying? It's nothing. It's whack. But I will say this: if you're not like serious and you're not willing to treat it like you would a business, and you're not gonna follow the steps involved with it at any level, if it's the $50, the 150, or the 300, don't mess with this, right? If you decide to get this, especially at the $300 level, you look at it like, yo, I'm opening up my own business. I got my own home business. I'm ready to rock and roll. But if you follow the training inside that you're getting for $300, it will show you how to make money. It will show you how to get this money back. All right, hands down. Like, trust me on that, right? So, if you want to check it out for yourself, obviously, I got the link below. All you do is opt in, put your email in. You go straight to the sales page. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, if you join underneath your boy, right, you have access to me. I will help you. We will get on a call because everybody got, oh, I got all these bonuses, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. You want real help, right? I will hop on the phone. We will schedule a call. You might not even need it, right? Because the system is very simple to understand. But for you joining and you doing it because you're watching this video, right? I will help you out. So once you join, once you officially join at whatever level, I will get in contact with you, and you will have access to me, right? I will get on a call. We will schedule a call, 15, 20 minutes. I will give you all of the information I can to help you be successful with this opportunity. All right. So this sounds great. You all hyped up. Click the link in the description. First link in the description. Check it out. Get started. And trust me on this one. You will not be disappointed with this one. Really, really like this program. Infinity Processing System. Check it out and holla at your boy. Peace.